This video is to show the MEI Go Configure system on their website. You can get to it at minnesotaelevator.com, and you go just to the Go Configure under the Power Unit section. And this is to get you the quickest power unit quote I think that you can get anywhere. So I've already filled in the information just so you don't have to watch me type. I put a job name in there, just quick power unit quote, and this is set up for them. I'll go through the specs real quick here. It's 125 foot per minute up, 125 foot per minute down, 2,500 pound capacity, 5,500 pound gross load, and 30 feet of travel. So a pretty typical hydro power unit. 5.5 inch piston, 208 volt, and I did include one shutoff valve in here. So there's a lot of other options you can choose here, from oil coolers to level switches, tank heater. You guys can look at that. But I'm going to hit generate quote. So all you do is fill this out. You need to register online to get an account set up, but I'll show you exactly why you want to do that too. But if I hit generate quote here, it's going to go right to the MEI Configure system. Now VMI, we have a system that is an online quote request, and it actually is just to submit a quote request that gets emailed into us, and then we get back to you. We get back to you usually within an hour. Whoa, but not this fast. 32.25. That was the actual time it took to configure this power unit price. And if you take a look, it's a 2,500 pound. It's got all the specs that I put in there. And it also gives you some good information here. Your full load amps, your Y delta starting amps, your cross line amps, your solid state starting amps. That's good for the electrician on the job site. They're always asking those questions. Gives you your GPM, what kind of valve you're going to get, and it also will tell you how much transferable oil and how much non-transferable oil. So that's going to tell you what you're going to need for the whole system for the oil, and then your shipping weight. So I think that's I don't think you can get a quote any faster than that. The nice thing about having an account with MEI online is, if you look up on top here, if I go to the toolbar and I click on existing quote, it's going to pull up all the quotes I've ever done on the MEI system. So the one I just did was this top one. I've been messing around in here a little bit, so there's a few. And if I pull up view estimate, it's going to give me that estimate. On the other screen, if you saw, you can actually print it too. But this is going to give me the ability to go in and look at jobs that I had quoted previously. It'll take a second to pull it up here. And there we go. There's one I did back on 6/11. So if you have a job name in there, it's going to have it all listed on their fastest quote ever. So that's it. Hope you guys like that system.